वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
It is my pleasure now to invite Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, to deliver the special address on this occasion.
I once again thank the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, for selecting Hyderabad to locate the International Arbitration and Mediation Center.
I should tell you that this center is a brainchild of the Chief Justice of India. Mediation is a fast-growing alternate dispute resolution.
I am sure that this center will be a boon to the landscape of arbitration and mediation in this country.
The center will receive huge patronage, not just from our state and the whole country, but also from the entire Asia, thereby making it stand out as a premier institution of global repute.
With arbitration being facilitated by an institution where all organizational and administrative needs are catered under one roof, the proceedings are likelier to conclude earlier, thereby saving costs.
With a global perspective and the emphasis on quality, I can assure you that it would be comparable to arbitrational institutions like Singapore International Center and London International Center.
I think it's time for us as a country, time for us as a nation to also look at lowering the cost of doing business. And I think that's exactly where the International Arbitration and Mediation Center that has been conceptualized and now being launched today in Hyderabad is a welcome move from the industry side. I assure you that Government of Telangana, led by our Honorable Chief Minister, will stand with you arm to arm and will ensure that you will receive all the required support from us, from the government, and we will continue that this institution will become extremely beneficial not just to the investor community but also to the state in terms of attracting more and more investments.